From professional sectors such as medicine and law to manufacturing, finance, technology, and retail, today's businesses face an ever-growing risk of data breaches. As more industries adopt cloud-based accounts and services, moving sensitive information across various online platforms, both the frequency and severity of breaches have reached epidemic levels. Potential consequences of a breach. Electronic records containing personal, financial, or medical data can be compromised without warning, causing devastating consequences for organizations of all sizes. Even multi-billion-dollar corporations have suffered highly publicized cyber attacks, damaging stock values and reputations in ways that can be catastrophic. Lessons from high-profile cases. Consider the massive Yahoo data breach, which devalued the once iconic company almost overnight. Whether you are facing an active breach or creating a prevention plan, you need expert guidance to ensure best practices are followed and effective safeguards are in place. How Blackmail Helpline can help. Blackmail Helpline offers proven strategies and deep expertise to protect your organization from both internal and external threats. In any breach scenario, the initial compromise is only the tip of the iceberg. While business leaders naturally focus on stopping the breach and restoring systems, there are urgent due diligence steps that must be taken immediately. Failing to quickly identify, document, and notify affected parties can greatly increase the risk of lawsuits, regulatory costs, and expensive settlements. The moment a breach is detected, Blackmail Helpline can act quickly to halt the unauthorized flow of data in or out of your systems. Our certified security and forensic experts can be on-site within hours, working with your IT and management teams to determine the cause and create a comprehensive response plan. We know exactly where to focus and what actions to take. We address critical questions such as how to assess the breach, reduce potential damage, and comply with notification requirements. A data breach can lead to regulatory fines, penalties, lawsuits, reputational harm, and loss of sensitive business data. We help you determine whether notification to the Attorney General or other authorities is required and ensure compliance with all legal obligations. Data requiring special protection. There are three main categories of information that require specific legal safeguards: personal health information, PHI, personally identifiable financial information, and personally identifiable information. Businesses are legally responsible for protecting all personal data entrusted to them, whether it belongs to employees, customers, or patients. The exact legal requirements vary by state, industry, and type of breach, depending on the data involved. Key details to document immediately. Right away, you should identify the types of personal data potentially compromised, the categories and number of affected individuals, the actions taken or planned to notify others of the breach, the date and time frame of the breach. Acting fast to reduce risk. At Blackmail Helpline, we understand how critical it is to respond promptly and properly. We help clients take swift, strategic actions in the hours, days, and weeks after a breach to maintain compliance and minimize damages. Take control of your data breach response now. Contact the Blackmail Helpline at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com to learn how our experts can help you navigate and resolve these complex incidents.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.